This is the O to the G to the D to the A. OG in the house from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, guys. Hopefully, you guys having a fantastic day out there. Hopefully, my Asian brothers and sisters, you guys are winding down your business day. The OG, we're still in the lockdown now. This is like 35 or 36 days. This lockdown is confirmed to go to the end of the month. I'm climbing the walls, guys. I'm climbing the walls. It's a great day to be alive. In this video, we got lots to talk about. The Cardano smart contracts go live date has been revealed. We're going to talk about that. I'm going to give you my absolute price predictions for Bitcoin for September, August, September, October, November, December. I'm going to tell you exactly where Bitcoin's going to be, why it's going to be there. You've got to watch the end. We're going to talk about Dogecoin soon, 50 cents. It's absolutely coming in. It's inevitable. You know it's inevitable. Can you guys feel the pump? This is absolutely a Dogecoin pump it up weekend. Dogecoin is getting pretty close to 30 cents. I think that we're going to break over 30 cents once the Americans wake up. Woo! Good morning to my friends in America. Hopefully you got your cup of joe. You're getting ready to start a beautiful, beautiful weekend over there. Hopefully you're going to take the kids for a barbecue. So guys, have a fantastic weekend. But the markets are on fire. We're seeing that the total market cap has hit an all-time high in terms of since we had this huge downturn. So this is the high it's been since we had this huge crash. You know, the China crash. So guys, let's jump into it. With that being said, don't forget, this is not financial advice. Just an OG expressing his opinion. This is for educational purposes only. You have to do your own risk management, guys. And let's get it, guys. Let's do it. Woo! Let's get it. Let's jump into the content. So right now, you guys can see that Bitcoin is still on fire. It's just gone below 48,000 right now, and Bitcoin is at $47,788. We've got this huge resistance, overhead resistance at 50,000. It's just a matter of time, guys, before we hit 50,000. We had this whole golden cross here. This is one of the driving forces behind this whole pumpity pump, and you can see this whole pump was almost 7.5%. So that's totally fantastic, guys. So we're on our way. We're going to the moon, guys. Absolutely going to the moon. Definitely, we're going to talk about. Later I'm going to tell you exactly where we're going to see the price for Bitcoin in September, in October, in November, December. You guys got to stay tuned because Bitcoin's going to blast off, and when Bitcoin blasts off, the altcoins are going to blast off. You also see the Bitcoin dominance coming down, and that's exactly where we need to be, exactly what we want to see, guys. So this is a fantastic day to be alive. So let's take a look at the fear and greed index. I'm going to do a big minty refresh, guys. So wow, look at that now. We're in extreme greed, guys. This is a fantastic time to be alive. Extreme greed. It's good. What this means, though, it's going to be more and more expensive for you guys to be dollar cost averaging. I still think $100,000, $130,000 Bitcoin is definitely incoming. You know it. Look at that. Wow, it's amazing, guys. Let's look at the altcoin season index. See if that's made any move. So right now we're getting closer and closer to altcoin. We're getting closer and closer to the altcoin index, and confirming that we're actually moving into altcoin month. So we're getting closer and closer. Right now, this confirms Bitcoin. This is neutral, and now we're moving into the altcoin month. So, as I said, the crypto markets are frothy. They're foamy, ready to explode. And you're going to absolutely see that when the altcoin season or the altcoin month comes in, you're going to see the altcoins absolutely explode. It's just right in front of our eyes. We're about to get there. We can see that, are we in altcoin season for here? We're on our way, guys. We're getting closer and closer to that magical altcoin season. And when it comes, you're going to see some altcoins 5x, 10x right in front of your eyes. You're going to see millionaires made overnight. You could be the next Dogecoin millionaire. Right now, let's get it, guys. And remember, dollar cost average, diamond hands, never panic sell, guys. Never FOMO in at the top. Always DCA, dollar cost average. That's so important. Let's take a look at our rainbow. Woo, what a beautiful rainbow that is too. Let's do a refresh. So you can see that the rainbow price chart that's following the stock to flow model, you can absolutely see, and also the logarithmic model. You can see right now we're still in the hodl phase. Absolutely still in the hodl phase. We're going to be moving into the FOMO intensifies, and when we get into the FOMO intensifies zone right about here, guys, what does that mean? It means that prices will start to explode. Woo, let's get it, guys. I'm so excited. It's a great time to be alive. And if we look at the Wyckoff pattern, let me give this also a minty refresh. Remember, I like to do a minty refresh in front of you so you know this is not Photoshop. This is not me making up stuff. You can see the Wyckoff pattern is playing out exactly as predicted. Sure, there's a little bit of a deviation, but definitely we're following this Wyckoff pattern to a T, guys. Woo, let's get it. Let's jump into Ethereum right now. Ethereum is absolutely on fire as well. You know, we're getting a little bit of a pullback right here, so a slight 1.78% pullback, but that's pretty normal considering that we had this huge almost 9% rise. But nothing to worry about, guys. We're still trading right now at 3,268, and we are just below my resistance level at 3,280. So guys, nothing to worry about. We have this little bit of a resistance right here on this line, and we just have to keep ticking at it. But definitely, I feel that 3,500 definitely incoming for next week. You can take that to the bank, write it on your fridge, write it on your forehead, write it wherever you want. It's absolutely going to happen. The OG in the house predicted that this would be a pump up weekend, and we're getting exactly that, a pump up weekend. And remember, it's still Saturday here in Asia. It's Saturday evening. It's going to be Saturday morning in America. So we still got Sunday tomorrow, which is still the Doge pump it up weekend, guys. So let's take a look at the burn. So right now we can see, let me get my face out of the way. My face is always moving, getting dizzy. So right now we can see that the Ethereum burn right now is at 41,638. Wow, that's a bonfire. That's millions, hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Ethereum burning away, guys. Get your words right down. Woo! Now let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano is absolutely on fire right now, guys. You know, Cardano today hit an absolute high, hit a high of $2.25. We hit a low today of $2.05, and we're right now we're about midway between the high and the low. And that's because we have some breaking news for Cardano coming out. They have revealed when the Alonzo smart contracts is going to go live. This is big news. A lot of people have been waiting for this. A lot of people have been anticipating this. And normally this would be, you know, buy the rumor, sell the news. But in Cardano's case, it's going to be buy the rumor and buy the news. So we could be seeing, $3 coming in by Wednesday. I think it's going to happen, guys. When America wakes up and they see that this breaking news, when the dates reveal, and we're going to talk about the dates, so you got to hang on. Do not stop watching this video. And guys, if you're enjoying this video, please smash the likes, please subscribe, do it now. And I just want to thank everyone for smashing the likes, and I want to thank everyone for being here and watching this video. Thank you, guys. Remember, I'm working for you. Let's get into it. Let's go. Let's do it. Get ready, because here it comes. The Dogecoin. So right now, we have nothing bad to say about Doge. It's all beautiful, guys. Right now, Doge is trading, as of time and recording, don't beat me up. Remember, crypto markets never sleep, they never die. They're always moving up or down, guys. And right now, Doge is trading at 0.286%. And once again, we hit our 30 cents. We hit our 30 cents today. We got a high of exactly 30 cents. We got rejected. We had a low today of 28.05, and we're kind of midway between the high and the low. So it's looking pretty good. A little lower than midway. We're around about 40% between the top and the bottom today. But I still believe that when the markets open, guys, we're absolutely going to blast off. We're absolutely going to blast off. So everything's looking pretty peachy keen. Let's look at some on-chain data right now for the Doge. Let me give this a minty refresh so we get the real figures for you. So Doge is looking pretty bullish, looking pretty significantly good. We can see right now that 74% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money. 3 are breaking even, and 23% of you are losing money. So if you're one of the weak Nancy's that bought at 60 cents, my advice to you, this is not financial advice, is you have one thing that you can do. You have to have diamond hands. You have to hodl, because there was a lot of weak Nancy's that sold at 12 cents, at 15 cents, at 16 cents, at 20 cents, even 22 cents, and 25 cents. You guys lost out. If you'd have held on a couple more weeks, a couple more days, you'd be making bang, bangity bang, 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 dollar everywhere, guys. So let's jump into the big news, guys. And this is where I reveal the price for Bitcoin. So as you can see right now, I believe that the worst case scenario right now is $47,000, and a lot of people are talking about that. In a tweet on August 13th, creator of Stock to Flow family of Bitcoin, he also reiterated that 47 should be the beginning of the BTC USD double action pump. This is the second phase of this super cycle, guys. This is a super cycle. I believe that this bull cycle is not going to just be 1 year and then peter out. We could see ourselves in a 2-year bull cycle. This is phase 2 of that. We had a huge dumpage for about 8 weeks, guys, 8.5, 9 weeks, when everyone was depressed and everyone was like, oh, it's over, we're getting into crypto winter. Well, guys, you were all wrong. I kept telling you that this is just a correction, it's a consolidation, and then once we springboard back up again, it's going to be faster, it's going to be higher, it's going to be more foamy, more frothy, and we're definitely going to the moon. And you're going to see that we're going to be reaching all-time highs for Bitcoin very soon, guys. So I wouldn't panic, guys. Everything is looking pretty good. Now let me give you my predictions, guys. My predictions right now, you heard it from the man, from the OG. And some of these predictions are from Plan B, but here we go, guys. So there are more fundamental reasons that we see weakness in June and possibly July, but worst case scenario for 2001, and this is based on price online on-chain basis, and this is coming from here, guys. So we're looking at August, absolute worst case scenario, 47,000, September 43,000, October 63,000, November 98K, and December we're looking at a huge pumpage up to $135,000, guys. So what do I say about that? Diamond hands, hodl. You still have time to dollar cost average in, guys. If you guys bought Bitcoin at the top at 60, if you guys FOMO'd in and bought Bitcoin at 55,000, 60,000, you still have a huge opportunity to dollar cost average and bring down your strike price, guys. So I still believe, I also personally believe, if you look at all the different models, the stock to flow, the logarithmic chart, the rainbow chart, all the on-chain data is telling us that we're going to hit $135,000 for Bitcoin. And if you look at the supply shock, the amount of Bitcoin, Ethereum on exchanges is the lowest it's ever been. People are absolutely removing their Bitcoin from exchanges and moving them to coldware wallets or custody. The institutions are buying up, and there's going to be so much FOMO soon. FOMO is going to be hitting hard, and we're going to see huge price pumps pretty soon, guys. This is exciting time to be alive. Can you imagine how bullish we are right now? This is the second leg of the big pump, and as I said, this pump is going to come faster, harder, and it's going to take everybody by surprise, guys. We're all going to be in huge profits, guys. So here's a big reveal. Cardano Alonzo upgrade date revealed, and this date, guys, is September 12th. So September 12th, Alonzo upgrade smart contracts will be happening. This is fantastic news, and the largest feature stemming from this whole Alonzo smart contracts update will be smart contracts, DeFi, NFT plays. This is huge. So you're going to be able to do NFTs with Cardano. You're going to be able to run DeFi, DEXs, dApps, all sorts of stuff on Cardano, and this should send Cardano to the moon, guys. I was talking about $5 by the end of the year. I'm sorry to say, we could see $5 coming in October. So if you're a Cardano holder and you've been holding Cardano like I have for a long time, then you guys are going to be having huge bags of Cardano. They're going to be so heavy, you're going to need help to carry them, guys. So this is fantastic news. This is a great time to be alive. Let's jump into the market marks right now. Let me give this a quick minty refresh. Make sure you got all the updated details, because I wouldn't want you to do anything and not get the details up. So right now you can see the market cap has slid down. Earlier this afternoon in Asia, it was 2.02 trillion. We slid down to 1.99, and that's because Asia now is, the day is ramping down. America is going to wake up, so you're going to see less volume, and we're seeing that right now. You're seeing 72 billion in volume, but once America opens up, you're going to see more pumpity pump. But typically on the weekends, you'll see less volumes, and the only bad thing about less volumes, there's a higher chance of more volatility and more radical price movement. So keep an eye out for that, guys. Let's jump into the actually cryptos. Let me give this a huge refresh, guys. I'm so psyched. Woo! Doge, pump it up. All right, guys. So So right now we're seeing Bitcoin at 46,929, and it's pretty typical. I see in Asia around this time you see a little bit of consolidation. Remember, the European markets are starting to get busy, and it's a weekend, so you're going to see a lot slower volumes, a lot slower pickup. Also, people tend to take more profits on the weekend. I don't know why, but I always feel that people tend to take more profits on the weekends than the weekdays, and we're seeing that. We had a huge run up, and the total market cap was 2.02 trillion, and I think people have been taking some profit right now. So that's why we're seeing a little bit of a dip, but everything's still in the green, guys. I wouldn't panic. So once again, Bitcoin is at $46,920. We're up 1.29%. Ethereum is at $3,257, and that's up almost 1%. BNB is still on fire. It's up. It's at $409, and that's up 1.1%. So woo! I'm on fire. And still, ADA is still ripping away, still tearing away, and it's up 6%, and that's $2.14. It hit a high today of $2.25. So that's pretty good, because if you look at our all-time high, our all-time high for Cardano was $2.46. So we're not too far off. We're only 12% from the all-time high. So we could definitely be reaching the all-time high again soon. We're not too far off. If we look at BTC, we're only 27% from the all-time high. That's not far away. Ethereum 25% from all-time high, guys. So that's not too shabby. And my Doge is at 28.4. Like I said, we hit a high of 30 cents today. We went down as low as 28.2. So we're kind of coming back up from that low, and we're right now up at 3.82%. So not too shabby. I really believe that when the American markets open up, we're going to see some huge pumpity. We're going to see some huge pumpage. Let's take a look at the DOT. Polkadot is up. Uni's down. Bitcoin Cash is up. Litecoin is down. Link is down. Solana is down. Matic is up. ICP is down. VET is up, guys. VET's doing really good. We're holding VET in our portfolio. You know it. I know it. So it's looking pretty good, guys. So let's take a look at the daily crypto trade signals portfolio. Let me give this a minty refresh so you guys know I'm not photoshopping this, and this is real. Remember, none of this is financial advice. This portfolio is for educational purposes only. So guys, our total balance is still over $7,000. July 2nd, when we invested $5,000. So far, we're still uppity up. And our portfolio is seeing $2,047 in total profit. So that's not too shabby. 40% is a pretty healthy return for me. I love it. I'll take 40% all day, all night, won't you? I know you will. And guys, don't forget to smash the likes as always, and super chats on the live stream. All super chats go to the orphans. And guys, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I've got the news articles, breaking news will come out there. Also, please follow me right now. That way you don't miss any notifications when the videos are coming out. And once again, please smash the likes. Do it now. Smashy. And subscribe. So that being said, guys, go and check out my linky links. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Go to Zen Music Addict, guys. You know you want it. If you need to relax, you need to chillax, we got some beautiful music there. I think there's a new kind of Buddhist meditation that just got uploaded. It's really nice. You guys take a look at that. It's really nice. It's relaxing. Just play it in the background. I love it. You love it. And guys, become a Patreon supporter. Support the channel as much as you can. Remember, all the Patreons, all the coffees, all the channel memberships, all the merch. We're going to get the merch. All that goes to charity, guys. Goes to feed the orphans here in Vietnam. All right, guys. So that being said, go check out my NFT collection. I think David Racine's looking at picking up some of my NFTs, one of my super channel members. And remember, next Saturday at 9 a.m. Bangkok time, we're going to be giving away 1,000 Doge to one lucky super channel member. So if you want to win the 1,000 Doge, you got to become a super channel member, and that'll be great. So get it. All right, guys, so let's check out the merch. So right now, guys, check out the merch. We got cups, we got hoodies, we got bags, we got t-shirts, we got also stuff. We got No Weak Nancy's, we've got the Doge Army collection, tons of stuff, guys. You want it. And guys, remember, I'm working for you. I just want to say I appreciate you guys very much. I love you guys. Once again, smash the likes. Let's get the likes up, guys, because when you guys smash the likes, it tells YouTube you like this content, and it pushes out the content. Help the OG get the message out there, guys. Love you guys. Take care. See you soon. Woo!